Have you ever wondered why it's getting hotter each year? Well, the answer lies in something we call climate change. Now, what's that, you may ask? Let's break it down. The term climate refers to the kind of weather we typically see in a place over a long period of time. So when we talk about climate change, we're talking about long-term changes in these weather patterns. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite ice cream sundae. The sundae represents our planet's climate, and the flavors of ice cream are the different types of weather we experience. Now, if we start swapping out the chocolate for vanilla or the strawberry for mint, we are changing the climate of our sundae. That's a fun way to think about climate change, isn't it? So that's what climate change is, but what causes it? Why is our planet getting warmer? Well, there are a few reasons. First off, we have fossil fuels. When we burn coal, oil, or gas for energy, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. This carbon dioxide is like a blanket that traps the sun's heat around the earth. Next, there's deforestation. Trees are like nature's vacuum cleaners. They suck up carbon dioxide from the air. But when we cut down trees, they can't do their job. Plus, the process of cutting them down releases even more carbon dioxide. Then there's industrial activities. Factories, power plants, and even farming can produce a lot of greenhouse gases like methane and nitrous oxide. These gases are even better at trapping heat than carbon dioxide is. And let's not forget about waste. When we throw stuff away, it often ends up in landfills where it breaks down and releases methane gas. These activities release gases that trap heat in our atmosphere. This is called the greenhouse effect. Imagine wrapping our Earth in a thick blanket. That's what these gases do. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane act like a cozy cover, trapping heat in our atmosphere. This is the greenhouse effect. It's natural and necessary for life, but too much of a good thing can become a problem. When we burn fossil fuels, chop down forests, and engage in industrial activities, we produce more of these gases, intensifying the greenhouse effect and causing our planet to warm up. This is like adding extra layers to our blanket. This warming effect leads to changes in our climate, affecting our environment, wildlife, and communities worldwide. Polar ice caps melt, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal cities. Extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts become more common, disrupting lives and habitats. Our ecosystems also change, impacting the plants and animals that call them home. Climate change can cause problems like rising sea levels and extreme weather, but there are ways we can help. Want to know how you can help our planet? It's simpler than you might think. You can start by saving energy at home. Turn off lights when you leave a room and unplug electronics when not in use. And how about walking or biking instead of always hopping in the car? Not only is it good exercise, but it also reduces carbon emissions. Recycling is another great way to help. Remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use less, get creative with what you have, and always recycle when you can. Did you know there are lots of people and groups out there doing amazing things to fight climate change? They're building wind farms, planting trees, and finding new ways to live more sustainably. And guess what? You can be part of this too. By learning and sharing what you know, you're already making a difference. Remember, every little action counts. Together, we can make a big difference for our beautiful planet.